Exodus chapters 3 to 14 tell how God called Moses from the burning bush to lead the Israelites out of slavery in Egypt and into the Promised Land. Moses faced an enormous task, persuading Pharaoh to free an entire nation and preparing them for an unpredictable journey. Pharaoh refused, and even the Israelites questioned Moses' leadership. Change was not going to be easy. Then came the turning point, a series of plagues that forced Pharaoh to agree. The need for change could no longer be ignored. Moses led the people out, planning food, water, and shelter for thousands without the benefit of modern tools. But then, Pharaoh changed his mind. The Red Sea blocked their way, and the project's success hung by a thread. Following God's instruction, Moses parted the sea and the people crossed safely. Adaptability under pressure kept the project alive. From this story, we learn key lessons in change management. Start with a clear vision, win stakeholder trust early, anticipate resistance, be ready to respond to high-impact risks, and stay flexible when plans must change. Leading the Exodus was like a modern-day organizational transformation. Merging teams, replacing systems, or shifting strategy while keeping everyone engaged until the goal is achieved. What's the biggest change you've ever had to lead or adapt to? If you enjoyed this, share it with a friend and subscribe to my YouTube channel @Charles Mentor Tips for more project management tips from everyday life.